Namaskar, this is Bhagwan Kulkarni. I welcome you all to this channel Absolute Truth. Absolute Truth, today our topic is basically on the current position in Punjab. The Congress ruled state of Punjab, which was very well governed, or it was the only Congress ruled well governed state in India today because of Captain Amrinder Singh, the Maharaja of Patiala, and he was doing an excellent job for 9 years, and it was only because of him that Punjab was in the hands of Congress, and the Punjabis elected Congress because Captain Amrinder Singh was at the helm of the all these things. Now today when we see that the way the captain was removed or was made to resign from the post is horrifying. The background of Captain Amrinder Singh is very good. He has been a very non-corrupt Chief Minister of Punjab, and he limited himself. He could have been a national leader, but he limited himself to Punjab only because he comes from Punjab. His forefathers ruled Punjab, and once upon a time, it was almost one fourth of India they ruled. That is Western Pakistan, Western Punjab, today's Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, were all the parts of Punjab state, Patiala state. And today, the unceremoniously, the way he was been he resigned is highly shameful. I am worried. Means what is the Gandhi family up to do with the Congress? Means they don't require any outsider to destroy Congress. Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, they themselves they are destroying Congress. If they are making people like the captain go from the party, then who is going to rule the party? Who is going to, what kind of acumen they have in the party? Today in Maharashtra we see what kind of people in Maharashtra are there in Congress. There are no good people in Maharashtra to rule Congress. Ashok Chavan, who is already has corruption charges against him, who is elected over there. Prithviraj Chavan, who has no backing in Maharashtra today. There are so other things also. So how they are going to come up? Tomorrow I am sure that this this action of Congress party is taking the Congress party into doldrums. Congress party will not win in Punjab. Means about Sidhu, Navjot Singh Sidhu, he has been a very good cricketer, but you know जो गरजता है वो बरसता नहीं है. That is a proverb in Hindi. Okay. So, and what is Mr. Sidhu's contribution? Yes, he has been a very good orator, definitely a very good cricketer, no doubt about it. In fact, I am also a fan as a cricketer of him. And second thing, as a political, this thing, he is a good orator. But what is his, means what has he done to become a big, to become a big politician? Means what politics, what strategy he has? Going to Imran Khan and singing songs for Imran Khan, or meeting Bajwa and saying that they are very good people and all these things, being in touch with them. What is Imran Khan's motive? What is General Bajwa's motive? Doesn't Mr. Sindhu know this? Yes, definitely he knows this. I will not go on Captain Amrinder Singh's words that about Mr. Sidhu, because now they are opponent, he has said this, fine. So, but I still respect Captain Amrinder Singh, and as far as Captain Amrinder Singh and Sidhu are concerned, I am 100% sure Captain Amrinder Singh way is way above Mr. Sidhu. And with this, if tomorrow, if Captain Amrinder Singh, who is, I think, who will float a different party, and he will win the elections with the support of other opposition party, and Congress will be not even half. Today there are certain MLAs who, due to the pressure of the High Command or something else, they must have been against against Captain Amrinder Singh, but the people, the population at large, the voters at large are behind Captain Amrinder Singh. Due to Captain Amrinder Singh only, they have Congress has been able to win the elections. See the popularity of Congress, Captain Amrinder Singh. Even in the Modi wave in 2014, when an opponent like Arun Jaitley was contesting in Amritsar, Captain was brought in to contest against uh, Jaitley ji, and Jaitley ji was defeated by Captain Amrinder Singh. It is in that wave of 2014. So see the popularity, see the following of Captain Amrinder Singh, and Captain Amrinder Singh has a depth. The Sidhu doesn't have a depth. Captain Amrinder Singh doesn't speak like Sidhu. In Marathi, there is a proverb, "Uthal पाण्याला खळखळाट फार." That is, shallow waters. You know, there are shallow waters always make noises. Deep waters don't make noises, but deep waters are more dangerous. Dangerous because if you go deep into the water, you are definitely going to be drowned and to die. Shallow waters, though there is a noise over there, you will not die over there. So Sidhu is a shallow water and Captain Amrinder Singh is a deep water, and therefore removing Captain Amrinder Singh unceremoniously like this is gone very badly into the hearts of Punjabis, into the hearts of other Indians across. Therefore, and Captain Amrinder Singh is a military man, is an army man. He knows what is Pakistan doing. He knows what are the motives of General Bajwa, ISI, and everybody. He knows what is the motive of Imran Khan. See, there is no difference between Imran Khan and Sidhu. Okay, only just because Imran Khan has been supported by the army, who dances to the tune of army, he has been kept as a prime minister. Otherwise, as a politician, Imran Khan is negative, not even zero. And so so is Sidhu. Now today only one thing is that what has Mr. Sidhu achieved by this? By removing Captain Amrinder Singh, you have got Charanjit Singh Chini. Charanjit Singh Chini is who represents the Dalit community. Yes, that is a very good positive sign that the Dalit community has got a representation in Punjab, I think for the first time. But Sidhu is not going to become the Chief Minister of Punjab, and Sidhu will not become the Chief Minister of Punjab any time. See, it is your work who takes you to that position. If you run after the position without working, the position never comes. But if you work, then position comes to you. So it is basically, in English it is rightly said, you can command respect, you cannot demand respect. Captain Saab, Amrinder Singh Saab, Maharaja, he commands a respect. Sidhu demands a respect. So demanding by respect just by making actions of shots and everything is not going to gain votes. And the actions and the humiliation, the way Captain Saab was humiliated, Captain Amrinder Singh was humiliated, it has not gone well down the line with the Punjabis or with the Indians or the Bharatiyas across. Therefore, soft corner will always lie with Captain Amrinder Singh and not with Sidhu. And with Charanjit Singh Chini, I wish him all the best. But Charanjit Singh Chini, whom is he going to follow? Because if he doesn't follow Captain Amrinder Singh, he will have problems. And if he doesn't follow Sidhu, he will still have problems. If he makes his own line, which is very difficult, where he will not be supported by Sidhu, and more than Captain Amrinder Singh, Sidhu would be the biggest hindrance. And third thing is that if he doesn't send back anything to the Delhi Congress president or whatever they demand, then he will have a tough time doing governance in Punjab. And with the kind of current situation in Afghanistan, in Pakistan, and across India and the worldwide, it is a tough time for Charanjit Singh Chini. But then also I wish him all the best, and I'm sure in good times Captain Saab will always support him. I don't know about Sidhu because Sidhu has his own agenda, and therefore, if since Sidhu is already heard that he has not been made the Chief Minister of Punjab, so Sidhu has gained zero. Today it is said that the Congress will fight elections in Punjab under Sidhu's brand name. So that is absolutely not going to give them votes. This is what Mr. Rawat also even said that today that they will be fighting elections under Sidhu's captaincy. But I am sure with this kind of an attitude today, definitely no Punjabis will vote for Congress, and no Punjabis should vote for Congress. Today only this much. Thank you very much.